something that's close to our hearts, tech debt.
Yes.
So is it manage, ignore, avoid? How do you view it?
Prevent creation of it if possible. It exists everywhere. We just need to have a handle on it, have it documented, and make sure that we can do something about it, right, in the right way.
Yeah, I mean, every org is going to have some level of tech debt. Trying to manage that and minimalize it as much as you can. It's part of my job as a consultant. It should be part of any admin's job. So being able to use tools like Elements to help us identify and surface some of that stuff, or bringing up a dependency tree and being able to show a customer why this is a 20-hour build, not a 2-hour build, just because of all the interrelationships and level of complexity. It's very, very helpful to have tools like that to make my job easier.
I mean, tech debt is just a reality. I always joke, you write a line of code, you have some tech debt. It is very, very, very hard. You should try and avoid technical debt, but it's actually very hard to have no technical debt. But not all technical debt is equal. Technical debt in an area that is being changed a lot has a far bigger impact than the fact that you've produced something that you're not going to touch again, or it's got potentially low value to the business. And when you're talking about debt, whether it's financial debt, you worry about the interest rate. If somebody's willing to give you £1 million at 0% with no expiry date, happy days. Whereas paying credit card interest rates is pretty painful. Exactly the same applies to technical debt in IT systems. So understand which bits of a system where the debt is actually going to be really hurting you.
I tend to ignore it until our engineering manager says it cannot be ignored anymore, and then we proactively deal with this. Yeah, it's a challenging one. It's never a business priority until it becomes literally our house is on fire.